I'm pretty happy to have received this the other day. I received this for free, but this is not a paid sponsorship, and my thoughts are my own. This is a 3-in-1 wireless charger, and it's going to take the place of this guy, which has been on my desk for a couple years now. It's super handy. I just put my phone in and have it so it's facing me, and I can just go and press it. It sits in front of my keyboard, underneath my screens, whatever. But it's not a wireless charger, nor does it have, check this out. Boom, if you've got the Apple Watch, this thing folds up, wireless charger for your watch. My wife will love that. And on the other side, boom, wireless charger for your old AirPods, which I do have those, pops down just like that. And right up here, front and center, of course, I love this part the most because it's the MagSafe charger. So that means if you've got a model that has MagSafe on it, you're going to be able to just put it up there like a magnet. It is a magnet, literally, and it's going to stay there in place. You can rotate it to the landscape view so that cool little watch feature comes on. And even if you don't have a MagSafe compliant iPhone, you can put this guy on the back of your phone. And I've done this with my wife's older model. I think she's got like an 11 Pro or something still. It's way back. We put this on it and it works fantastic. We've got one of these type of things in the cars as well. I love this thing. I was very happy when the company reached out to me to see if I would be interested in getting a review copy. And I love it. It works great. It plugs in just a USB-C cable in the back that it comes with. This plugs into the USB-C wall outlet charger, so you could go straight into the wall, or you could take it into a USB powered outlet of your choosing. Highly recommend this guy. Again, it's going to go on my desk. I'll even show you where it's going. So this is going to end up living right there forever, I think. If you want to see some other sweet things I've reviewed, check out the rest of the channel. Check this video out right now. Hope you have a great one. Hope it's helpful. Talk to you later.